Welcome to this lesson on adding integers. Today, we are going to learn the simple rules for combining positive and negative whole numbers. Whether the signs are the same or different, you will master exactly how to solve them. First, let's define what we are working with. Integers are the set of whole numbers and their opposites. This includes all the positive numbers you count with, all the negative numbers below 0, and 0 itself. To make this easier, we can visualize integers using counters. We will use a blue counter to represent positive 1 and a red counter to represent negative 1. This color coding helps us see what is happening when we combine them. Let's start with the first rule, adding numbers with the same sign. If we have positive 3 plus positive 4, we simply start at 3 on the number line and move 4 steps to the right. We end up at positive 7. It is just regular addition. This rule also works for negative numbers. If we have negative 2 plus negative 3, we start at negative 2. Adding a negative means we move further to the left. We move 3 steps left and land on negative 5. So here is the rule for same signs. If the signs are the same, you just add the numbers together and keep the sign. A positive plus a positive stays positive. A negative plus a negative stays negative. Now, before we look at different signs, we need to understand the concept of a zero pair. When you have one positive and one negative, they cancel each other out completely to equal 0. Think of it like digging a hole and then filling it back up. Let's apply this to adding different signs. Consider 5 plus negative 2. We have 5 positive counters and 2 negative counters. 2 of the positive counters pair up with the 2 negatives to make 0. We are left with 3 positive counters. So, the answer is 3. What if the negatives are larger? Here we have negative 4 plus positive 1. We have 4 red negative counters and only 1 blue positive counter. One pair cancels out to 0. We are left with 3 red counters, so the answer is negative 3. Here is the rule for different signs. Ignore the signs for a moment and subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Then, give your answer the sign of the number that had the larger absolute value. If you have more negatives, the answer is negative. Let's look at a few examples. 6 plus 3 is 9. Negative 5 plus negative 4 is negative 9. 8 plus negative 2 is 6, because 8 is larger than 2. And negative 7 plus 3 is negative 4, because 7 is larger than 3 and it is negative. To recap, check the signs first. If they are the same, add the numbers and keep the sign. If they are different, subtract the numbers and keep the sign of the larger one. With these 2 rules, you can add any integers.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.